Welcome to the Bonneville Salt Flats. So we are here in April, and as you can see, it is very wet. Sometimes you come here and it is bone dry and you can actually drive on it. Other times it's wet like this and you can get really cool water reflections. This is crazy. Gary is a little upset right now that he can't drive the Jeep out onto this. Apparently the record of driving across the Salt Flats is 600 miles per hour.
Jeep was not hitting that.
Alright, so I'm probably crazy. As you can see, it is wet right here, but over there it is very dry. And we just saw some people walk across, so it doesn't look too deep, maybe like shin level. So I just changed into a pair of crappy leggings. I'm gonna attempt to walk across. So I'm almost to the other side. It definitely hurts your feet a little bit. It's kind of sharp when you get to the dry salt, and some parts kind of like cave in a little bit while you're walking, so that's interesting. But I've gone too far to turn back now. And I have to say, this is really cool. Gary has the drone up now, so I can't wait to see those shots.
The salt flats were formed when Lake Bonneville evaporated thousands of years ago. They are located a little over 100 miles west of Salt Lake City in Wendover, Utah. The Bonneville salt flats span 30,000 acres and they are free to visit. June through August is considered dry season and September through November is wet season. During the dry season, it is safe to drive on the salt flats, and car enthusiasts gather here every August for Bonneville Speed Week. Drivers can compete to set new land speed records in numerous racing categories.
Okay, so my feet are hurting a lot. Doing this barefoot right now is not a good idea, but totally worth it. I also started a trend because a bunch of people just walked out too. But this is so cool. The views are amazing, and the lines and the patterns in the salt with the mountains in the background, amazing. I'm starting to walk back now, and it's really cool because you can see the reflection of the mountains in the water. This is incredible.
I'm gonna go out on a limb and say those leggings are done.
These leggings are going in the garbage, but that was totally worth it.
Mish is a little salty.
that was definitely a really cool pit stop. We drove here from Moab. We're flying home from Salt Lake City, but not till 11 o'clock, so this was a cool little place to stop. I would love to come back here one day to see the reflections a little better, and also when it's completely dry, so Gary could drive his Jeep out onto it, try to beat that 600 mile per hour record. But that was a lot of fun. I'm sure we'll be back one day. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. Many more adventures are on the way.